Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present my kickin' chicken and broccoli. If you like spice, you'll love the heat of this recipe. With just a little bit of sweet to balance the acidity and heat, this is one winner chicken dinner. Let's get started. We'll begin with our simple marinade by adding some blackened seasoning to a small bowl and some red pepper flakes. For reference, I'm using this brand of blackened seasoning. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil to the bowl. This will create a sort of loose paste. Set this aside as we prepare our chicken. You'll need about 1.5 to 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Place the chicken into a large Ziploc bag. Pour the spiced oil into the bag and mix thoroughly until all the pieces are coated. Place in the refrigerator for 3 hours to overnight to marinate. Add the chicken to a saucepan on medium-high heat. While the chicken cooks, we'll work on our sauce. To a small bowl, add some sambal ilik. This is just a Chinese chili paste. Add some minced garlic, soy sauce, some rice vinegar, a sugar substitute equal to 1/2 cup of regular sugar. Now add some water. While whisking this together, slowly add some xanthan gum. Set this aside as we continue to cook the chicken. When the chicken is fully cooked, remove from the pan. With the pan still on medium-high heat, add about 1/2 cup of water and some minced garlic. Add the broccoli to the pan. Cover and let this cook for 2 minutes. To help prevent the broccoli from overcooking, we'll remove it from the pan. Now add the sauce we mixed earlier and let this cook for a bit to thicken up. Return the chicken to the pan and continue to stir and cook while the sauce continues to thicken. Turn off the heat and stir in the broccoli to coat in the sauce. Serve hot and enjoy. Delicious. There you have it, folks, my kickin' chicken and broccoli recipe. A simple and easy recipe to help spice up your life. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.